All right, quick update on the dollar index, weekly chart. Last week, I had this candle's wick marked out. I want the bodies to remain below it. Last week, we respected that idea, wicked up into not taking a high last week, and we closed low. Still within this upper half of this weekly gap, but wicks are persisting. We'll see how this weekly candle plays out if we come up into the halfway point of the previous week's wick and start to expand lower. How do we treat this fair value gap? Daily chart. Last few trading days, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, I was expecting price after we swept this low to trade up into a premium from this high to that low. So we came up into this daily civvy, wicked it still. Bodies are not closing above these candles or into this daily civvy. Had a swing high inside of this daily fair value gap, this resistance, and a close lower. Sunday open, and right now we've wicked up into this volume imbalance, this orange box. And this week I'm expecting us to, or I'm looking for some type of downside. We got this bullish fair value gap here that we disrespected. A close below it. We wicked up to the halfway point of it so far, and I'm expecting the expansion lower. We can start to get some work inside of this lower portion, the lower portion of this blue box, the weekly fair value gap, aiming towards this low and this low from July 1st. We got this volume imbalance in purple as well. Down to the 4-hour. So this is where I saw a bullish shift in market structure when we broke this high, and I was looking for, I see a bullish market structure shift. We can seek a premium of the current leg down, which was from this high to this low. I will watch price as we take buy side, which I had marked out as this high and this high. Looking for MMSM, which is a market maker sell model to form eventually. And I'm thinking of that up into this order block and this fair value gap in this daily civvy, which we have happening here. Had a high up into this daily fair value gap. Took that high, had a shift lower, came back up into this order block, this up close candle. And we had an expansion lower, taking that low again, and trading just above the low of the fair value gap, creating a second low right above it. That's liquidity we can target. Created this bearish fair value gap. We traded up into it now. Bodies staying inside of this imbalance, and it would be supportive of my bearish bias if we close below that gap and start to trade lower so far. That would be nice to see if we even turn around from this bearish fair value gap, start to push lower. But my bias is still bearish, looking for these lows to be taken in this low. And last week supported that. Even though we started the week off going higher, that's Monday, trading higher. Tuesday, up at the high of the week, which was formed on Wednesday, 3 a.m. Between 3 and 7. And then Friday, we got this drop down. So Monday, it would be nice to see us start to make some traction lower. See how we work the bottom half of this weekly gap. If we don't expand higher from here, I'm looking to stay within this gap. I don't want to see us get above these up close candles on a closing basis. And I'll go back out to the monthly. I'm gonna make sure these don't show up. All right, out here on the monthly, we are at a close towards this low. This is where I believe price is gravitating towards the low, 96.377, the low of the month of July. So this candle, September, we already kind of wicked halfway up here, but I want to see some activity below last month's low. All right, that's it.